This is Mission Control Houston. Dragon and the space station continue to fly over Canada right now at an altitude of about 250 miles. They are directly above Banff, which, if you know anything about Canada, is a big ski resort area up there. The teams are talking about this challenge we saw several minutes ago. Is Dragon closed in on the space station. It was picking up some stray reflections from part of the Japanese Kibo laboratory. So the teams are figuring out how to adjust the LiDAR system on Dragon so that it's basically pointing at the right reflectors. They will update the crew on board here shortly about the plan to move forward.
Station Houston, Space to Ground 2 with a Dragon update. Station Houston, Space to Ground 2 with a Dragon update.
Go ahead, we're all ears.
Andre, Hawthorne has come up with a plan to exclude those stray reflections coming from the gem structure by narrowing the field of view of their LiDAR. They're going to be working on that for the next 5 to 10 minutes, and then we should be able to resume the approach to 30 meters.
Sounds good. Thank you.
This is Mission Control Houston. So once again, to summarize, SpaceX team believes that they have found a way to fix the problem with their LiDAR sensors on board Dragon, which is part of the radar system that looks at the space station and fine-tunes the approach of Dragon toward the station. It was basically picking up a stray retro reflector, which is what those LiDARs take a look at. That was out on the Japanese Kibo laboratory, specifically the external pallet, which is outside that lab. But SpaceX is able to basically adapt their LiDAR sensors on board Dragon to sort of, for lack of a better word, close its eyes a little bit and have a more narrow field of view. So that's exactly what they're doing, is sending a command up to Dragon to fine-tune what those LiDARs are seeing. Once they get this command sent over the next 5 to 10 minutes, then Dragon should be able to resume its approach up to the 30-meter hold point. Now, what will take place at this point is that the teams here in Houston will evaluate at which point in time Dragon will arrive at that 30-minute hold point, and will time out how long Dragon needs to hold at that 30 meters before it can proceed on into the 10-meter point. That's the point at which the crew would be able to reach out and grab onto Dragon. But the teams here will time all this out so that that grapple time or the capture time of Dragon will happen during the daylight.